Are you one of those people who's raging against Trump? The protests in America and all that. Are you one of those who's acting like Trump is the devil himself? If you are, you're a fucking moron, or you're a fucking crook. Because let's look at some realities here. The reality is, in Libya right now, there are slave markets where black men are bought and sold today as property. Today. Not 200 years ago, today. And it happened during Obama's presidency, and it happened when Hillary Clinton was the US Foreign Minister, which is the Secretary of State. Did that bother you? Do you protest? Did any of these people burning and looting and protesting go burn anything then? Are you protesting the slave markets of Libya? No. How about concentration camps? You think Trump's a Nazi? There are concentration camps in China right now. Hundreds of thousands of Uyghur Muslim men are in concentration camps run by China. China is having Han Chinese men sleeping with the wives of these Muslim women so that they get they get Han children. China is raping Muslim women by the thousands. Are you protesting? No. Are you protesting about the LGBT, the homosexuals who get thrown off buildings as sinners in the Middle East? No. Arab militias killed 300,000 blacks in Sudan not too long ago. Did that bother you? No. George Bush, Hillary Clinton, Joe Biden sent America to a war built on a bunch of lies that ended up breaking the Middle East and ended up in the deaths of, maybe 1 million people? Did you protest? No. Iran is jailing women for 30 years only for the sin of removing their headscarves. Does that bother you? No. You guys are hypocrites. Because the reality is that everywhere in the world where there is real horror, real slave markets, real slavery, real slaughter of black people, real concentration camps, real persecution of LGBTs, real persecution of women, you don't give a shit about any of that. You don't give a shit about the leaders of both the Democrat and the Republican parties who caused slaughter of vast scale for nothing. But Trump, who hasn't done anything, who hasn't even gone to war when the American deep state keeps wanting him to go to war, he refuses to go to war, he refuses to kill people, that drives you nuts. You're stupid. I don't know how self-righteous you think you are. I mean, every bloody idiot in the world, like Salman Rushdie is giving lectures to Trump about tyranny and dictatorship. Jesus, really? I hope Trump wins in 2020. And I hope that he will make you guys cry for some more years yet. Because you guys are crooks and fools. You guys are dishonest. And you guys are full of self-righteousness that counts for nothing. Because you do not want to look at the real evils in the world. Hey Trump, go Trump, make America great. Fuck 'em.